Forgotten username recovery failed on Angel Investment Network fix. If you've been trying to recover your username on the Angel Investment Network and the process keeps failing, don't panic, there's a reason behind it, and it's actually quite simple to fix. Most people get this wrong because they think the platform still relies on usernames. But here's the surprising truth. The Angel Investment Network now primarily uses email-based login, which means your username might no longer be needed to sign in. That's why the forgot username recovery process can sometimes fail or not send any email at all. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Instead of using the forgot username option, go straight to the login page and enter your registered email address. If your account still exists, it will recognize your email and let you request a password reset. Step 2. Check all your email accounts, especially older ones, for messages from Angel Investment Network. Any confirmation or investor updates will show which address you originally registered with. That's the key to accessing your profile again. Step 3. If you've tried all your emails and still can't log in, reach out to the support team. Mention that your forgotten username recovery failed and provide your full name, approximate registration date, and any other identifying details, such as your country account, for example, UCLOS or global version. Most people waste time guessing usernames or retrying the recovery form, but that only delays the process. The platform's new login system focuses entirely on email credentials, not old usernames, so the real fix is to focus on your registered email. Once verified, you'll either be able to reset your password or have the support team manually confirm your profile. The Angel Investment Network keeps investor data secure, so once you provide the right details, you'll be back into your account in no time. Stay patient, follow these steps, and you'll regain full access faster than you expect.